Now that we have a header row in our CSV file, the next thing we need to tell the bot to do is to read the data out of our raw data file. To open the raw data file, you need to program the bot to find the text file and then tell the bot to open the text file. We have a number of options that we're going to be selecting, and when we're done, we're going to make sure that we close the CSV TXT menu so that we're ready for the next action. Then we'll go ahead and click on Save. If you haven't already, make sure you close your CSV file. You may have to save the CSV/TXT file is on the Actions menu. Navigate up and then click once on CSV TXT to open the menu. Double-click on Open to add the action to your workbench. If the action didn't add in the right order, remember that you can change the order by clicking and dragging the action to the appropriate location. Once you have the CSV TXT open action on your workbench and it's in the appropriate order, it's time to configure our action. We can go ahead and leave the session name as default. We need to tell the bot where to find the file. In this case, we have three options. We could preload the file into the control room. We could use a desktop file, or we could have it choose a variable file path. In this case, remember that we saved the raw data file to our desktop. So we're going to select the desktop file option, and then we're going to click on Browse and be patient while it connects to our computer. We are going to again use the File Explorer to navigate to our Chicagoland Popcorn Economic Nexus folder, and this time we're going to select the raw data file. Once you've selected the raw data file, click on Open. Now that we've told the bot where to find the file, the next step would be to determine whether the file has a header. In this case, our file does not have a header, so we are going to leave the Contains Header box unchecked. Recall that our raw data file uses a comma as the delimiter between the columns, so we're going to leave the comma as our delimiter checked. It's always a good idea to trim leading and trailing spaces. This would remove any blank spaces. And then we can change the encoding from UTF-8 to ANSI. Once we've configured the action, we can go ahead and hit Save. We could also opt to run the bot at this point, but we will not see anything happen. So for now, let's just remember to close our CSV TXT menu.